went to Seattle, Washington for the 4th of July weekend. During our trip, we explored the beautiful city and even went to the downtown 4th of July festival. So without further ado, let's get going. On our first day, aka our travel day, we decided to explore the neighborhood and walk to a nearby beach to relax.
It's kind of relaxing. Oh, he's eating. Aww, he's so precious. I love them.
After wandering around, jet lag started to kick in, so we went back to the Airbnb and got some sleep. Then it was our first full day in the city, which just so happened to be 4th of July.
Parjay.
Our first stop, of course, was Pike Place Market.
Fun walking places.
Of course. Oh, this is cute with the little 4th of July flag. It did, though. Go rub its butt. We can go out there to see.
I always love exploring the stands, shops, and sampling different snacks. We even went out to the outdoor gardens and terrace area. Next, we went down a level to go through the famous gum wall and alley.
Oh my gosh. Here. Wow. Something. Isn't that something? Wow. That one is crazy. You're amazed. Dumbfounded. Speechless.
Now that's a word you're correct with.
Speechless.
Dumbfounded.
Dumbfounded. Oh my gosh.
After the gum wall, we found ourselves at the lower leveled shops.
He's a cutie pie.
There was even a new kitten-themed kawaii shop that I absolutely loved. And of course, we stopped at the magician's store too. After shopping at some of the lower level shops, we went back up to the main market floor and found the Pike Brewery.
Wow. I don't think I've been down here very much. Wow, this is cool. At the brewery.
Hello.
Once there, we had to order their sampler platter.
Wow. Well, that's good he told us that.
Yeah.
I don't like bitters.
After the beers, we were a little peckish, so we went to none other than Cheesecake Factory for lunch.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum.
After stuffing our faces with cheesecake, we left the marketplace and went down to the boardwalk. While walking along, we spotted the Ferris wheel, and I was just dying to take it for a spin. We bought 2 tickets, and next thing I knew, we were on the ride.
Well, there's the Americas.
The views from atop the Ferris wheel were unbeatable. We even saw the Space Needle. But after the ride, we went straight to the indoor Boardwalk Carnival.
An inside carousel, huh? Oh. Creepy. That's cool.
After thoroughly going through the Seattle Boardwalk, it was time to head over to the 4th of July Festival at Gasworks Park.
Wow. No, it's a fire truck.
The whole park was decked out with food vendors and boutiques. There were even the iconic Budweiser horses there. We continued to explore the area and made our way up the hill to where the fireworks show would be happening later that night. The hill was already filling up quite fast, and it was easy to see why. The view of the Seattle skyline from here was absolutely perfect. But rather than camping out, we decided to hang out at the beer garden by the concert until the fireworks started.
In the shadow. Wow, they're really into it.
Fill up my cup. That tonight's gonna be a good night. What's been up? You don't know. You gotta dance with me, hey. You gotta dance with me, hey. And so we put our hands up. And so we put our hands up. Hey, 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 na 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 na.
After the concert, I grabbed us a yummy funnel cake for the show, and we began fighting our way through the crowd for a spot to view the fireworks.
Insane.
Wow.
Wow. right when it was like packed, said it was packed like sardines. But I think it was good.
The crowd was pretty intimidating, but we still managed to score an amazing spot for the show.
Zombie apocalypse. All the people. Help me.
And that concluded our 4th of July in Seattle. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon.